We need to do all we can to protect our precious native fish species. That's why we spent over $2.2 million safeguarding their future by improving the infrastructure at the lower Barwon wetlands, including the rebuilding of the Barwon River Barrage. The lower Barwon wetlands is a complex of fresh and saline lakes and wetlands south of Geelong. They provide a sanctuary to a rich array of native fish and plants. In fact, these wetlands are so important that they are protected by the Ramsar Convention as a site critical for conserving biological diversity in the area. During European occupation, a series of weirs and regulators were installed in the wetlands to ensure salt water didn't enter the lower Barwon River and to reduce the risk of flooding in the city of Geelong. Unfortunately, these man-made alterations were an impassable barrier for migratory fish, including short-finned eels and the threatened Australian grayling and mudfish. In 2016, a study identified the lower Barwon wetlands complex as one of the highest priorities for removing those in-stream fish barriers due to the impact they had on local flora and fauna. In addition, a condition assessment completed of the existing weir showed that the structure was at risk of imminent failure. Failure of this structure would have had many disastrous impacts on the Barwon River in Geelong. The Corangamite CMA requested funding from the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning to upgrade the lower Barwon tidal barrage weir and for an additional fishway. Works commenced in January 2020 and were completed in June 2020, funded through the Victorian Government's $220 million investment over 2016 to 2020 to improve the health of catchments and waterways across regional Victoria. The new weir has been built with 9-metre-long fiberglass sheet piles installed into the bed of the river 1 metre upstream from the existing weir to the same height. The gap between the two has been filled with rock and concrete. At the tidal barrage weir, the new fishway on the southern bank consists of a concrete cone fishway. This is actually the very first of its type to be built on a coastal system in Victoria. A new adjacent Elva ramp also allows juvenile eels to migrate upstream. The Arthur Ryler Institute and Tim Marsden have worked closely with Corangamite CMA to provide advice on the design, establishment and monitoring of these fishways. So, what does it all mean? The project will provide immediate and long-term benefits for fish, plants, birds and other wildlife in the wetlands and lower Barwon River. It will allow migratory fish to move from area to area and improve fish numbers. As a result of the new fishway and weir, fishing and other recreational opportunities in the Barwon River will be greatly improved, and there will be increased water security in the Barwon River through Geelong for decades to come. These works are of enormous benefit to the local ecosystem, as well as the people of Geelong and surrounds.